Howdy guys, in today's video we're going to be having a little practical with the linear positioning tool, and this will be for the CAD feature. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we're back into the program here. Now, in today's video, I want you guys to try to create this little L shape. So as you can see, we've got 3 cubes to the right and 3 going up. So what I want you guys to do though, you have to use the linear positioning feature. So today we're not going to be using the single, we're going to be using the linear, and you must try to achieve the same result. Now, it is not that difficult. You'll see there is quite a catch though. Not a catch, but it's a little bit of catch if you're not used to positioning. But yeah, I'll let you try figure that one out. So then yeah, otherwise in the meanwhile you can pause here and unpause if you're going to see my result afterwards. Okay, I'm not sure how you guys got around to it, but I'm hoping it went well, so that means you learned something. Otherwise, if you didn't, it's fine. Let's run through it again quick. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a rectangle for now. So I'm going to make this a 50 by 50 with my origin on the lower left. Say okay, then I'm going to go to linear positioning, select this tool, and then click on the canvas. Now I'm going to leave my X and Y at 0. So my origin points at the bottom left. And then what I'm going to do with the AX, I'm going to set this to 100. So we've got a nice 50 space between our shapes, or equal space. Then I'm going to go 3. So at the moment we are going, and our angle is 0. So we're going to have 3 here on the bottom right, or bottom to the right. Now what I'm going to do is the same approach. I'm going to go 50-50 with origin 0. Go to linear positioning again. This time, however, it's going to get a little bit more complicated because we want 3 on top of this. So if I currently leave my X and Y 0, it's going to add our first one straight into this one. So we're going to have 2, or actually just 1 up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go on my Y, and then I'm going to set this 100. So we know 50 is a shape, another 100. So we're going to have a 50 space, and then the first cube only. Then I'm going to make the spacing 100 like before. So we've got equal spacing. And in the angle, I want to make 90 this time. So now it's going upwards. It's not on 0 anymore. And then with a number, now we're not going to add 3, but we're going to add 2 because we've already added the first one. Say OK. And then there we go. We've got our nice little L shape with equal spacing between. And like I said, the second line you add is a little bit more tricky because you have to space it and also add less of them. But yeah, otherwise that is it on the practical for the linear positioning. I hope you guys got it right without any of my help. But if you didn't, like I said, don't worry. Just some practice and we will get there. But otherwise, in the meanwhile, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover. And you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here. Request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.